MyNotes is the Hugenote College online learning platform. You can find the website at http://mynotes.hugenote.com. At the top of the page, there is an area where you can log in quickly using your username and password, or you can use the full login page, which is found at http://mynotes.hugenote.com/login/index.php. Here you can log in with your username and password. You simply enter your details and then click the login button. When you log in at first, your username is your student ID, which starts 130000, and then your individual numbers. Your password is the word change me. You will be asked to change your password the first time you log in. Passwords must contain one capital, one number, and one special character, such as a dollar or an and sign or an asterisk. There are several menus in the top bar. First is the menu under your name. Here you can view or edit your account details. You can view private files which you have uploaded. You can see your grades, and you can see your calendar of upcoming deadlines and events. This is also where you log out. The next menu is a language menu. If you need to change a language, this is where you'll find the available options. Please be aware that the site is mostly in English, not much has been translated into Afrikaans. Under the speech bubble icon, you will find your messages. And here you can also send messages to other users. And under the bell icon, you can find notifications. These are official notes from the system administrator or from your course tutor regarding things such as upcoming deadlines, information that your course has been marked, that your assignment has been marked, or perhaps a schedule for when the site will be down for maintenance. On the maroon navigation bar, there is a link to My Courses. Here you can jump to any of the courses you are enrolled in. This menu is accessible in all places. As you scroll down the screen, the navigation bar remains visible at the top. You can enter the Introduction to Moodle course by clicking on it in the navigation panel on the left, or on the drop-down menu from My Courses, or from the course blocks on your dashboard page. This is the main view of the course. Note that a new item has appeared on the maroon menu navigation bar called This Course. The main view of the course organizes the elements by topic. So here we have Introduction, Week 1, Week 2 would be down below, and so on. From the This Course menu, you can arrange all of the same type of element together. So all chats, all forums, all resources. This is a very basic course without assignments. If assignments had been created, there would be a further link all assignments in one place. You can access any element of the course from the menu on the left. So participants, grades, and then the actual teaching areas. Participants includes all staff and students who are enrolled on the course. From the list of participants, you can click anybody's name to see more information about them. For example, Fraser Jackson, who is the tutor on this course. Here you see user details, you see which other courses they are enrolled in. You can also see their full profile. If they are blogging or making posts to forums, you can see that there. But the most important point of this screen is that you can send a message to an individual user from here. New messages, if you receive them, will appear underneath this icon at the top of the screen. These are the different sorts of elements which make up the course. Chats. Here you can enter a text-based chat with your entire class at a prearranged time. The teacher will say that he or she is available perhaps from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. on a given day. Everybody is expected to join in for a text-based chat. Forums. Your tutor will use these to start discussions, and all students will be expected to contribute to these discussions. Forums are not in real time, so the tutor will post a question and maybe give 2 or 3 weeks in which everybody has to post an answer and perhaps interact with each other's answers. The other main purpose of the teaching area is to upload resources. These can be files such as PDF, PowerPoint, Word documents or images, or also links to web pages and perhaps videos. We make a point of showing the size of every file, so if you are downloading it onto a smartphone using mobile internet, then you know how big a download it is going to be. And instead of uploading videos, which are usually big, we will try as far as possible to link them, to create a link to Hugenote College's YouTube channel. Then you can choose the quality of video to watch depending on your internet connection. This is a very brief overview of the of MyNotes. But if you take the time to pause the video now and log in to the web address mynotes.hugenote.com:85, you can explore. You will already be enrolled as students in your course, and you can see what your tutor has posted for you already. When you are ready, you can restart the video at this point to find out about using Moodle as an app. The mobile app which you can download is available in these locations. If you have an Android phone, it's available on the Google Play site. If you have an Apple phone, it's available on the iTunes site. Or if you have a laptop running Windows 10, you can download a Moodle app for your laptop. There are 2 reasons to download the app. Pardon me. The first is the convenience of having it on your phone or your tablet. But the second is more important. You can download the course while you have access to the internet and then work offline. So for example, you can go into an internet cafe and download some of the resources and then go home and read them and work on any assignments while you're in your own home. This is one reason why you would download the Windows version of the app, even though you already have access to the web version on your laptop. To help with the screen size for this presentation, we'll be using the Windows 10 version of the app. Even before you log in, you can view settings using the gear icon in the top right. Here you can set language, you can enable text editor, and you can check things like space usage and how much of the course you have already downloaded. But obviously you can't see much until you log in. The first thing you have to do is enter the web address of your Moodle site. Note that you have to put in the full web address. Although most browsers automatically add http:// the app does not recognize this, so you have to type in the full web address, then click Connect. You know you're in the right place because the app recognizes the site title, in this case Hugenote College MyNotes student portal, and you can now log in with your username and password as before, and then click Login. Start with your home page. You can use the icons at the bottom to navigate the app. Obviously, on a phone with a smaller screen, everything would not be so spaced out. So this is the calendar page. If you had events and deadlines, it would show here. This is the chat or message screen. If you had messages, they would be here, and here you can also add users to your contact list and send messages to them. This is the notification screen. As we talked about, there are no notifications now, but system-wide or course-wide announcements would appear here. And underneath my face is the menu icon. Items which do not appear in the lower menu bar are listed here. Obviously, if you had more screen size, more of these items would be here and less would be under the menu icon. You can check your grades, you can check your private files, you can jump to the MyNotes website, you can access help, you can again check the settings as you did before you logged in, or you can log out. So on the home page, you have a link to your courses. Courses appear as these blocks. Note that every user, staff and student is automatically a member of the student support course. But for now, we will look again at the Introduction to Moodle course. The body of the app focuses on the content of the course. Other sections, which on the web appeared on the left-hand navigation pane or on the top, are now available as drop-down menus, such as participants, grades, and others. Here on the menu on the top right, you can show download options, you can download the whole course, you can check your course summary, or you can choose which section to look at, and if space on your phone or tablet is limited, you can manage your storage. You may have noticed that the option to download the whole course was also available on the My Courses page. If you click Show Download Options, if you are in a low bandwidth area, then you have the icon for the whole course, or for each section, or for any single element within that section, and you can choose what to download. If your app is on your own device, you can exit without logging out simply by closing it on your phone. However, if it is on a shared PC or shared tablet, you should always log out before closing. Click the menu button down on the bottom right underneath my face in this presentation, and then click Log Out.